request all to call Mrs. Diomi R. Alexander, ma'am, President ICSF USA. Then I would like to invite Reverend Sherry M. Meter from USA. Next, I'd like to invite Mr. Andrew Marshall Sir from USA. I would like to invite Mrs. Jennifer Vivian Culpepper from USA. Next, I'd like to invite Mr. L. Yanga Iyer, IFS. I would like to invite Mr. Krishan Lal Chabra, CA from New Delhi. Then I'd like to invite Mr. Alok Ranjan Kar Sir, Chairman FIMS Bhubaneswar. I would like to invite Professor Dr. P. Tamilarajan Sir, MS DLO from Kilpauk Medical College. Next, I would like to invite Dr. Mrs. Anuradha Ma'am, MD DGO Assistant Professor, Kilpauk Medical College. I would like to invite Mr. Samuel Das Sir, member of BTS Managing Committee. Then I would like to invite Mr. Vijay Kumar Panigrahi, Advocate Legal Advisor, BTS. Next, I would like to invite Mr. Sagar Ranjan Sethi Sir, Senior Branch Manager, IOB from Balasore. Next, I would like to invite Mr. Kanai Lal Giri Sir, President BTS Managing Committee. I would like to invite our beloved Director cum Secretary Sir to the stage. Next, I would like to invite Dr. D. Madhubala Ma'am, MBBS St. John Hospital. And we welcome you all. Arrival of knowledge and positivity, we request our honored dignitaries to come forward for the lamp lighting ceremony.
রাজধানী
প্লান্টটা ওটা হাইট করতে হবে হ্যাঁ
ବହୁତ ଆଇଡି
ନା ହାଇଟ୍ ଏମିତି ଯାଉ ନହେଲେ ଉପରୁ ଅଧା ତଳେ ବ୍ୟାନର ଅଧା କପଡ଼ା ବ୍ଲାକ୍
ନାଗିନ ନା ତଳିଆ ଉପର
ନା ଏଇ ଜାଗା ଗୋଟେ
Yes. Praise the Lord, everyone.
ଟକଣ
I welcome on behalf of Managing Committee, staff and student of Balasur Technical School Society, the inaugural ceremony of Hanif Memorial Arts, St. John Hospital and Behavioral Center, ICSF Girls Hostel, pre-Christmas and St. John Foundation Day celebration. It is with great joy and USA, Canada and managing board members of Balasur Technical School Society this day's occasion. Christmas is the festival of love, joy and peace. We are here to celebrate it together as one big family. The spirit of Christmas is not just about the gifts and decoration, but also remember that Christmas is born for the entire human welfare. His life taught as the value of kindness, forgiveness, and sharing. The festival reminds us to spread happiness and care for others. Now, may I request come forward for the facilitation Mrs. Diane Alexander, President ICSF USA, in memory of Reverend Jeremiah Phillips Memorial Hospital. Oh, sorry, ICSF USA. Now I am request Reverend Cherian Mithiel, Chair ICSF Scholarship Committee from USA. May I request now may I request Mr. Andrew Marcel from USA. Now I am requesting Mrs. Jennifer Vivians, Culpeper from USA. Now I am request Mr. Milo C. Colvin from Canada on behalf of the Colvin family. Bari, BSc Nursing College. Principal of St. John College, paramedical. Okay. Now our now I am request Mrs. Usha Chawla from New Delhi. Now I am request our board member Mr. Samuel Das. And Mrs. Namita Das, wife of Mr. Samuel Das, Mrs. Namita Das. I am a request to Mr. Vijay Kumar. I am request Mr. E.L. Yangar Iyer, IFS retired additional principal, Chief Conservation College, Government of Odisha. Now I am request Mr. John Paul Harris, missionary of Professor Dr. Tamil Medical College. Now may I request Mr. Sagaranjan Sethi, Senior Branch Manager, IOB Balasur. I request Dr. Mrs. Anuradha, MD, DGO, Assistant Professor, Kilpatrick Medical College. I am request Jimmy Sundaria, Dr. Jimmy Sundaria. I am request Dr. Madhubala, St. John Hospital. Now I am requesting the big hand, Engineer P. Ramesh Kumar. No. Director cum Secretary, Bala School Society and St. John College Hospital. Please, big hand. Our Engineer P. Ramesh Kumar. तालियां बजते रहना चाहिए.
Just few minutes. Just for the information of all people, that the hospital which we have started will have consultants in different specialties, particularly ENT, gynecology, dermatology, and pediatrics. So doctors from those who are sitting on the dais, Dr. Tamilarasan, Dr. Anuradha. Dr. Tamilarasan is an ENT surgeon, and Dr. Anuradha is a gynecologist as well as pharmacologist. And my brother, whom we have seen on the video on a surgery, is a pediatrician as well. And my sister-in-law is a dermatologist. So they keep coming every month as a visiting consultant. So take these facilities for you. We'll give you that service for the people. And this is the time to honor the missionaries who are in our midst. And the American Baptist Mission originally started their ministry among the Santhal tribes, the tribal people in Bengal, Orissa, Bihar Baptist churches. So, in continuation of that ministry, some of the ministry, indigenous mission organization, is working among the same community and Malto tribals as well as Santhal tribals in Jharkhand and Orissa, particularly in Keonjhar district. So they are sending, the very purpose of this institution is to train the students from those communities. That's what our mission and mission. So they are sending the fruits of their ministry to this place for their economic upliftment. So in order to honor and see their labor, the fruits are here now. And in ministries like Transmissional Prayer Band, IEM, VOM, and Tribal Outreach Ministry, again in Graham Spain Mission. Those lot of students are here in our midst. So just want to honor them this occasion. It's our privilege that you are from the grassroots level. You are sitting in the urban side, but you are really in the jungle and villages working among the people for their upliftment. You are privileged, and we are privileged in honoring you. I call upon one by one, please come to that. Mrs. John Paul Harris. Please come, Mr. Harris.